everybody, welcome back to the Freakin' Jeep and Toys Garage. Glad you could join us. If you like some of these videos, I hope you do. Make sure you subscribe, maybe even hit the bell. Today we're working on the green WK. I sold that over the summer and it came back because the radiator split and they overheated it and they dropped the valve seat. So right now I've got it all torn apart. I know you guys didn't get to see it, kind of coming in the middle of it. Life's been hectic, so I've got the heads back from the machine shop. I picked them up yesterday. I've got them right behind me on the bench. I'm just cleaning them up, getting ready to put exhaust manifolds on. Take a look. One of the heads was bad. I ended up just grabbing a spare set off the shelf that I had, or a spare head. Took them both to the machine shop, had them resurfaced so they're nice and flat. The original head, this one here, actually was a little concave, so it warped a little bit. Got that taken care of. My machine shop guys are pretty awesome. Dropped the stuff off, they had it ready for me the next day. I get this lined up, put some gaskets in, get these bolts going. Looks like we need some more tools. Got a couple of broken off bolts here, or at least one. Gotta get out. Go figure. One comes off, one breaks. The one that we needed breaks. This one's really warped. I think first things first, we're going to tighten up one side here and then tighten up the other side. It seems to be rocking on the second to the back cylinder, so we're going to tighten up the back ones first and then use the other. In an ideal world, I would just buy a new one, but this ain't an ideal world. So we're not buying a new one. Or even having this one, the manifold resurfaced so that it ain't warped. Make sure it's flat. I don't have that option either. This thing's got to get put together and get out of here. These manifold bolts only get about 18 foot-pounds of torque or so, 18 to 20 I think it is. If you go much more than that, then you stress the bolts out, and that's why they break. I should have a torque wrench out, but I don't. Making sure they're all still tight. Yep. Good enough. This head will be ready to go on in just a minute. I know, short episode, that's alright. We'll get the other half tomorrow. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We've got a whole lot more stuff coming at you in the near future. Monkey Mechanic is going to be working on her Liberty. So we're going to have some 3.7 videos coming for you. We're going to finish up this green Jeep, this 4.7. Going to get this thing back together. By the way, this is that one that has 310,000 miles on it. And this is the first time I've ever had to open it up. I guess I've been lucky, I don't know. I hear a lot of people have had a lot of problems. This one has been relatively maintenance free, other than I put a water pump in it once because it was leaking. And we put an idler pulley on it a couple years ago, and the heater core video that was done on here too, that WK with the shortcut. A lot of you have watched that. I've had great reviews on it. I'm glad you guys have had fun using that, and that it's helped you guys get the job done. We got some more videos coming up too. There's been a change in the fleet. That'll be one of the next upcoming videos. We'll be showing off some of the new stuff, and yeah, more to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Remember, build a bigger, badder, faster. You got it.